Okay, now I want to show you how it's a POS software and how you can use it. This is a POS software. Actually, this is a cloud. This is on cloud. When we say cloud, what does it mean? The cloud means you have a computer not here. It's not physically here. It's outside. It's in another country. Not only one computer. It is many computers in many different locations, which is saving your data inside, and once you want to see it, it's reachable from everywhere in the world. So this is on cloud, and this is a web view of our control panel that I can check what's happening in my business live, because this cloud, this control panel is connected to all of our softwares in all of our businesses, in all of our branches, in all of our shops. So I can manage everything here, and I will see what's happening. I'm going to show you. Here you have a username and password, like all of the softwares. So you will use your username and password. I am going inside with the owner, and when I go with the owner, you can see all of the features inside. But today I'm going to show you only the POS. The speed of your software is depend on the cloud or the hosting that you are using. So if it is fast, it means your host is fast, or if it is slow, it means your host is slow. At the first page, you see this is a dashboard. This is a dashboard that will show you all of your sales, all of your cash balance. Cash balance, which you see here, it means how much money is inside the cash drawer. As you see, we can change the date, what's happened last 7 days, last 30 days, this week, this month, or today. And here we have an option that if you click, it will go to the POS. It will show the POS software. So I will click, because this POS software has two options. One is online, which you can see it with a browser, and the other option is here. You can install it on your PC, if it is Mac, if it is Windows. If it is a smartphone, the software will help you, because it's working offline and online. And when you don't have internet, when you lost your internet connection, you will use the software, you will do the sales, and everything will save in your computer locally or in your device. And when your internet come back, automatically your cloud will update and will be reachable from everywhere in the world. So, but now I'm going to show you the online option. The online option is here. When I click, it will open new tab. It will ask about the location access. So I will go again with the owner account. Let's see what we have inside this software. When it's open, now we have an open cache. What is open cache? When you open the software, you have an open cache. It means you want to put some change inside the cash drawer or inside the drawer, anywhere you are keeping the money. At the first of the day, you will put some money inside for the change, because when people comes to you and they pay like 500, 100, you need to give them change. So you will add here. For example, today I'm gonna add only 300 change inside. I can add a note that what is the reason or what is this, and I will save it. And if I go in the transactions, we will see here it's 300. It means that 300 is in at the time. This is the time. As you see, this is the current time, and the 300 we add inside. The method is cache, and the reference is open cache adjustment. In the board, we have some tabs here. I want to explain you what is this. Here it's right the owner. It is the name of the account who is inside the system. So it will be reachable from the owner control panel in the backend system from everywhere. That what time, exactly what time this seller opened the system. If you see here, we write that enter product barcode, name or SKU. Product barcode is like some barcodes that you are using in your items like this. All of the items will have one barcode in the shop, and you can use manual barcodes for yourself. It will help the cashier to add the data inside the system when you have many items, more than 500, 1000, 2000, 10,000, because it will be difficult to search and know what is the name of this item. So you will just scan it and it will go inside. The name, you can search the item with the name with 3 syllables, 3A. If we have something here, it will show this is the things, the products or the services which we have inside. The other one is the category. The category is the category of your services, what kind of categories you have. We don't have any, so it's not showing anything. The other one is products. When you go in the products, you will see the list of the products which is available for this cashier to sell. Because maybe you have many branches and you are using one software. You will not use many softwares. Of course, why you use many softwares? Because when you want to take the report, you need to have many accounts, you need to put in your mind many username, passwords, and what happened in this branch, what happened to that branch, what happened to this business, that business, because maybe you have many businesses. Here we are the view of the products and services. Then we will go back. This is the customers. If I go here, I will see the list of the customers. They are buying from us, how much they bought. For example, it should be my name. Under my name is some sales, as you see. And if I click, I can check the details, the information about this, and the order history, how much he ordered. So you have a list of the customers. This is CRM. It's very important for your business because you will understand this customer, how much is buying from you, how much he spent money, how many bills you made for him, for the loyalty. And if he is not buying from you, you can check and you can send them email, and you can make some advertising also. The other one is the saved card. What is a saved card? When I click, I will see some card inside which is saved before. If you go to some big shops, some big hypermarkets, you will see that sometimes you take some products and you go to the counter and you want to pay. You have some fruits, but it doesn't have barcode because there is no scale, and you need to go back again to take the barcode and come back. And what will happen at that time? All of the people behind you, they will stop and they will wait, and the counter will stop. Why? Because they don't have the safeguard. So the safeguard is very important. For example, someone is here, I will add something. When I click or when I touch, it will go automatically to the basket. This is the basket. Then he will understand that something is wrong, he missed something. So at this moment, you have two options. You have the safeguard, and you can click on this, and you will add some details about this, like name or something, or with the date. You will save it and it will go to the safeguard here, and you can wait for this client and you will pass the people behind, so your business will not stop. If you don't have this safeguard, okay, you need to wait, and all of the clients behind, they need to wait until this client come back and give you the last product, and then you will calculate and the business will running again. So this safeguard is very important. When the client come back again, you will find it, you will click on it, it will open, and you will continue to check out. So it will go to the basket, then you can continue your business. If you don't want, you can simply delete all of this. The other option is the orders. You will see the list of the orders and the online orders or the offline orders. This is my orders, this is online orders. It will be inside. The other option is the transactions. The transactions I explained for you, the in, out, method, and reference. In means the money goes in. Out means the change that you pay back to the clients. The method is cash, cards, online payment, or anything, because this system can connect to your website to receive your online orders. And this is the reference, because sometimes customer is paying by card, and in the bill you will see a reference code for the bank. So you will add, means the cashier will add the reference code here. So if this client come back, or if there is any confusion in the future, you will check, okay, this is the bill, this is for these orders, and this is the items inside. It will be important sometimes for the finance also. Here you have the report. The report is a simple report only for the cashier that will show him what he did actually today. The direct bank transfer, cash on delivery, cash, discount, total card discount, total refund, and the total sales by payment methods, sales by seller, stock overview, and you can search and see this item, for example, how much we have in stock, the other item, how much we have. It will be helpful for checking the inventory, but for the inventory I will explain for you in the next episode. How do we will sell? We will go to the product. Imagine a customer is here. Okay, we will click or we will touch the product. Then he need one this, he need one this, he need one this, or he needs something which is not here. We will scan the barcode automatically. We will add to the basket, or we will search the name, like gift box. We will click, it will go there. Sometimes he need gift box more, so I will click on the gift box, I make it more, or I will scan it too much, or I will click on gift box many times. And you see in the basket in the right, this is a basket. You see here how many items is in the basket. You can search the customer. If it is popular customer, you will ask the phone number, email, name, or any details that you put before when he registered. It will show the customer. If it is new customer, you will simply click to add the new customer. You will add the name, email address, the address to city. This is all optional, but the phone number now is required, because for my system, for my shop, I like to have the phone number of my clients, so I made it required. When I save, customer created, and all of the bill is under this name, the Morteza name. It has some tags. We will add the tags by percentage. If there is a shipping, we will add the shipping, because sometimes we want to give the bill to the driver, and the driver will deliver the order to the client. So we will add the cost, for example 50 riyal, and shipping address is billing or shipping, because when the customer is registering, you can add his details. So if there is a customer, when you click on the billing, it will show all of the details, or you can fill it up manually and you will save it. This is a discount tab. You can make some discount by percentage or by flat. If it is percentage, and if you write like 10, it will show, when you save it, it will cut automatically 10% from your order. But sometimes the customer come and he has coupon. What is a coupon? Coupon means some voucher or some card that you can print to give it to them, or you will send them by SMS, by message, by email, some code, some special code for them, that you will make some discount for them. You will make some credit for them. When they come back, they have like 100 riyal in the card, they have 10% discount, and they can use it only one time, two times. You will say in the system, you will make this code, and you will say, I want this client to use this card 10 times only, or only 100 riyal, or 10% unlimited. So when they come to the cashier, they will say, I have a coupon, and the cashier will ask, what is your code? For example, he will say RTY456QW, and he will put a search. If it is available, it will automatically cut the money from the basket. If it is not available, you will see this error. We are going to save it, and here you can add the product, you can add another seller, because sometimes you are giving commission to your sellers, to your salesman or girls, so they will choose it. which seller is selling it. If you have many sellers, the name will come here and the cashier will choose. For example, Morteza sold it, so the commission will go for Morteza. The other one sold it, so the commission will go for the other one. And after that, if it is a cashier, he will have access to this green box and he can click and finish the order. But if this is not cashier and this is only the waiter, or you want to make only someone to take the money, to finish the order, to make discounts, so you will give another access to them and you will give only one person, the cashier. So he will finish the order, he will take the money, and he will be responsible for all of the discount, the cancellation order and everything, because the other people, the other employees cannot do that. This account is cashier. I will click, it will be open. They want to pay by cash, they want to pay by card, they want to pay by cash on delivery. For example, they want to pay by cash. How much is this? 380. But the customer have 500. I will click on 500, or I will touch it if it's touch screen. We have some options here. The first option is, it means that they accept your privacy and term and conditions. The other one, the system will print the receipt. If you don't open it, it will not print. And the third one, paperless work. If you click on this and if you add the client email, it will be email for your client by your official email. You are using less paper and you are helping the nature also. I will click I pay. As you hear, the money go inside and everything is done, and the print also came. I will open in preview because we don't have printer now. This is the format of the PDF, as you see. Number of the bill, this is number 614. This is the customer name, and this is the cashier, who is the seller, means who is the cashier who sold it. And this is all of the item list. It will come in Arabic, English, or any language that you want. And it is the prices, this is the quantity, and this is the total. This is the subtotal, shipping price, discount if you added, tax, and grand total. And here is the barcode of this bill. And here is some message for your clients. Someone need their social media, someone need their address, phone number, someone need say hello, someone want to thanks for the business, something like this. That's all. That's all from the front end software for the cashier. So the cashier will have access only to this system, and all of your data will be safe. Hold on, I will show you another view of this software, because it has three views. One view is for cashier, one view is for waiter, and one view is for the customer. We will show you. So let's see how it will be.